field footage. You just look. Okay. So today we're doing a new installation, 4-ton train out in East Fort Lauderdale. And this is inside, as you can see. A lot of mold type substance. This is the supply planner. I'll get real close. Look at this thing. So this is what I'm talking about here every day. This is the planner. Should look like this, but that's how it is. It's pretty bad inside here, as you can see. This is as real as it gets right here. Real as it gets. This is inside the blower, man. This is inside the blower. This is why we're replacing this with this brand new